Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install the Super Kilometer filter and explain its working modes on the latest model of the Chevrolet Suburban. The device installs directly onto the vehicle's system control box. It comes with two software modules that connect to the vehicle's control unit, just like you see in the video. One plugs into the gray connector and the other into the green one. Once connected, place the modules in a safe and convenient spot. Now, very important, we highly recommend disconnecting the car battery for a few minutes after installation and then reconnecting it. This will clear any temporary errors from the system. Now let's take it for a test drive. Once the device is installed, it automatically activates in Mode 1. You can switch modes or deactivate it either through the mobile app or manually by pulling the high beam lever 4 times. So how do the modes work? Mode 1 and Mode 2 are alternatives. If one doesn't function properly in your vehicle, the other will. Mode 3 deactivates the device completely, returning everything to factory settings. As you can see, the car is moving, but the odometer isn't recording a single mile. Quick reminder for anyone interested in purchasing: kilometer filters are not permitted on public roads. If the vehicle is resold, the odometer reading must be reset to its original status. Drive safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.